Oh, reel it.
I got one, Dad. I got one.
You do?
Yeah. I got a bass.
It's a bass?
Yeah.
You sure? Reel it in. Reel it. Reel. You sure do.
Look. Now look.
Yeah.
That's a small bass.
Yeah?
Can you hold him?
Yeah.
Dad. Alright?
What is it?
Alright?
What kind of fish is it?
A bass. A bass.
Bass. You gonna let him go?
Yeah. Bye. He was stuck. Is he stuck?
Yeah, you better go help him.
Okay. I helped him, Dad.
Mm-hmm.